Welcome to our channel. If you're struggling to access your Fidelity account, don't worry, because today we are going through a clear step-by-step guide to fix those access issues efficiently without any hassle. If you have been locked out or facing access issues with your Fidelity account, let's break down exactly how you can regain access quickly and securely. First and foremost, confirm that you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typing errors or case sensitivity issues. If you suspect your password might be incorrect, the best next step is to click on the Forgot Password link on the Fidelity login page. This will direct you through a secure process for resetting your password, typically involving verification via your registered email or phone number. Follow each prompt carefully and set a strong new password that you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. If this does not resolve your access problem, the next step is to ensure your account isn't locked due to multiple unsuccessful login attempts. Fidelity may temporarily lock your account to protect your information. If this happens, look for any messages on the login page indicating an account lock. If you see such a message, you generally need to wait a specified time period, or you can contact Fidelity customer service directly for immediate assistance. When contacting Fidelity support, prepare to verify your identity. This could include answering security questions or providing personal information to confirm you are the rightful account holder. Another useful step is to verify your internet connection and clear your browser's cache and cookies, since sometimes login issues stem from technical glitches on your device rather than the account itself. Consider trying to log in using a different device or browser to eliminate these possible problems. If you are using the Fidelity mobile app, try uninstalling and reinstalling it, as outdated versions or corrupted installations can cause access errors. Also, ensure the app is updated to the latest version available. Lastly, if you continue facing difficulties, you can reach out to Fidelity through their official social media channels or use their online chat support for real-time help. Keep your account information secure throughout this process and avoid sharing your passwords with anyone. By following these steps methodically, you will be able to resolve most Fidelity access issues without needing prolonged support. Remember, patience and accuracy during each step are key to regaining your account access smoothly and securely. We hope this guide helps you get back on track quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful tips and guides.